Yeah, what's up? What's up, Nate? Anyways, I'm here. I'm gonna talk about the football game, okay? UFK Northwest. If you ain't here, you come out, okay? As a preparing, we got team leaders over there. We got Team Red, right, David? Right. We got the other team. Bang bang! Nice job, Serge. Ah. For what?
You're the god of this city. You're the king of these.
Why aren't you playing?
You're the lord of this nation.
Sasha! Alex!
Light in this
Sasha!
darkness.
Let's go!
You're the hope
Let's
to
go!
the hopeless. You're the peace to the restless. You are.
Woo! Nice! It's a little dark. Not too shabby, Serge. Not too shabby. Not too Woo! Victor takes this game very seriously. He's got his gloves on. He's fixing them. A little itchy. Alright, Victor, get it. The boys are preparing. Vadim's got the ball. He throws it in Lucretia. Alright, it goes up in the air. Nobody catches the ball. Me the puppy? No. Well, you picked it up. You gotta show it. Hey! Come back over here. Come back over. Bam, bam, Pam. Woo, nice. Good job, Ella. Looking good, that nice hair. Okay. Woo! Cha-bang bang. Tanichka. Being prepared, she's backing up. She's got the ball in her hands. She's preparing to serve. Service. Bam, shika wham, out. Excuse me? In the Hollister shirt with the big energy drink. That's not good for you. Shika wham, bam bam, wham. Good job, Tanka. Woo! Shabams. Way up. Oh, nice. Christina. Hello. So we out here in UFK. Oh yeah. So what we doing? Volleyball. And bye. Anna, talk to me.
Hi.
Are you pregnant?
Yes.
How many months?
6 1/4.
Congratulations. You're Mexican. Are you good at soccer?
I don't want to play sports.
You are? See, that's not a stereotype, guys. It's just the truth. Bored. Shebang bang. That's surfing, bro. Get off the board. Get off. Epic fail. Look at me, I got Tigran. Look at Tico. Tico! No! Okay. Shebang. Bam. Woo!
Hey, why are you mean?
Nice job, team. Go, Annas. Let's do that again.
How's your studying, Jana?
I should be studying right now. Not happening.
I don't have to be on Snapchat.
You do have to be on Snapchat. Ask me the question. Ask me. 1 year. This is not my Snapchat. This is.
Oh, it is baby.
So there we have
Baby, like
Andre.
as if it's her dog.
He's ready to play volleyball with his foot. Victor, you need to put your gloves back on. You're a serious guy with them on.
You gotta.
Okay.
Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Cyrus. It's Snapchat for UFK.
Hi. Yeah, we're over here making moves. Jesus Christ. Burrito. Cinco de Mayo. You know what I mean?
Beautiful. Sorry, that was kind of rude.
No, follow me.
Okay, I'll be your Snapchat. Ooh. Can I
Can't
be
see
your
your
Snapchat?
face.
Yeah.
That's not so visible. It's not. Ah, handyman. Just casually carrying an axe while he's walking with someone.
Casually too. That's weird.
Jinx.
Walking somewhere deep into the woods, about to build a bonfire.
Handy woman with her Dutch bros and her glow stick. She's the light of the world.
Oh, I am.
Senor.
When you have Jesus, you realize that Jesus is all you need. You don't need no boys or girls or what. Actually, you do, but like Jesus is my savior. Слава тебе, мой Бог, Господь, о Господь, Господь.
man.
Are we blinding you, sir?
That's just pretty illegal.
Greater things have yet to come, and greater things are still to be done in this city.
Oh, you have been? Oh, that's why you come.